Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about internal order posting and settlement. So how to create internal order? We have to go to the T code KO01 and we can create. So let me go to the T code KO01. So yeah, once I go to KO01, we can enter the order type. So I have already created some internal order types in the system. So internal order will be created based on the internal order type. So this is my internal order. Enter. Type will ask you to enter for which controlling area you want to create. So this is my internal order controlling area here. Enter. So we can enter here some description. Enter the company code, business area, plant, and profit center. So all these assignments we can enter, like for which company code, for which business area, for which plant, for which profit center this internal order is going to be created. Enter. Now click on this settlement rule. So once this cost is done, for which cost center you are going to settle this cost. So we have to enter the settlement rule. Okay, so whether you are going to settle it for cost center, whether you are going to settle it for any other object. So here, yeah, right now this order type, the internal order type is meant for cost center. That's why I can only select the cost center here. So enter the cost center name number. So I will go to F4 and we can enter one or multiple cost centers. So let me use cost center number 1, which can be 50%, or even if you want you can give it 100%. It's up to you. So if you want to settle this with multiple cost centers, then you can enter multiple cost centers. But right now I would like to settle this 100% for one cost center. So enter 100% here. So this is the cost center which will be getting this settled later on once the cost is been settled. Okay, for the internal order. So save this and your internal order number 90002 is created successfully. So with this cost center, internal order, we can use this for posting purpose. So whenever the cost is incurred, so we can use the T code FB50 to post the transaction. So here we can use description, reference number, header text, and so on. So yeah, select one of the costs like a GL account for which you want to post this transaction. So select the debit indicator, enter amount, let's say 5000 rupees, and here go to the next. So you can enter some text here, and instead of cost center we can use the internal order number. Enter. So this is my debit line item. Now we will enter credit line item. Put the star. Now enter the value date and click on simulate and save it. So we have successfully posted the cost for that particular internal order. Okay, now once the cost is updated or once the cost is posted, now we want to settle this cost to the main cost center or the actual cost center. How to settle this cost to the cost center from internal order? So we can go to the T code KO88. Okay, once you go to KO88, we have to enter the internal order number from which internal order you want to settle. So the cost is posted for the month of July. So July is my fourth period. So we can enter fourth period here. Then click on test run and click on execute. Yeah, before execution, if you want to see the settlement rules, then you can click on this. So here the cost from this internal order is going to be settled to this cost center. Okay, with 100%. So if you want to see the cost before we post the transaction on this the cost center, whether there is a cost or not, so we can go to KSB1 T code and enter the cost center, enter the period July to 31st July, July 1 to 31st July, and execute. As of now, if you see, there is no cost is available. We have not posted anything for this cost center for July period. But how does the cost will come here? Now after settlement of this cost from this internal order, the cost will be transferred to this cost center through the settlement. Okay, go back and select this test run first. Click on execute. Here you can see this cost is going to be settled from just click on this details list button. Now the system is going to settle the cost from my internal order number 90002 90002, and the receiving cost center is, or receiving object is, cost center. Here it is CTR means cost center, and the cost center master data is this one. If you click on this receiver, here you can see this is the receiver. Go back. If you want to see the sender, click on this sender. So how this cost is getting settled? Through this cost center or cost element. So we use this cost element to post the transaction, right? That's why this is the sender. Okay, now go back, and once again you go back and uncheck this test run. See, once you execute in test run, the cost will be not transferred yet because still it is in test run. We have to uncheck this test run and then you execute. After that, the cost will be transferred from internal order to cost center. Now if you go and check the same thing, you will get the same data. Like sender is this cost internal order, receiver is if you click on this, the cost center is here, sender you can click on this, so your cost element is the GL account, and if you go back, the receiver is your cost center. So this is how we do the settlement of internal order cost to the cost center. Now let's go and check the cost for the new cost center where we settle the cost. Okay, this is the cost center we have entered in the settlement rule. So enter that in the KSB1 and enter the date here, which is the cost which we have settled in the same range we have to enter from and to. Then execute. See, there is a cost. It's settled from your internal order to cost center. If you want to see more details, click on this document, source document. See, this is my source document. So this document was posted in internal order, and if you see here sender, who is sender? This is the cost element. Okay, if you want to see the receiver, click on this receiver. This is the receiver. If you want to see the accounting entries, click on this. And you want to see controlling document or you want to see profit center, you can double click on this controlling document, and here is the document. Okay, this is the debit and this is the credit. So here it is, ORD means order, CTR means cost center. From order it is been moved to cost center. So here is the journal entry also, here it is debit and here it is credit. So yeah, this is how we settle the cost from internal order to cost center. If you want to see profit center document, double click on this, and here is my document for profit center actual line item. So that's how we do the settlement of internal orders cost center, internal order to cost center. So for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I have seen so many people, they have seen the videos but they have not subscribed to my channel. Please, I request you to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.